Hey everyone out there, I'm Rob, this is James. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Wave. And James always loves watching unboxing videos. So when I saw these today at Newbury Comics, I grabbed a couple of them to do an unboxing video with James. Who's James? Now which one do you want to open first, buddy? Who's that? Groot? Alright, we'll open this one. You want baby Groot? Yes. Oh, man. Or Dr. Doom? Alright. Now these are all 1 in 12, so there's no real rare ones in these, unless you get a metallic one. But let's see what we got. What do you think we got, James? Let's see. Okay, so you open it down the bottom. What do you think it is? We'll open that one next, buddy. We got a black bag. What do you think it is? Can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's... What is that? It's Groot. We got Groot. Did you get the one you wanted? Alright, now
No.
we gotta hope that we pull a Dr. Doom. Dr. Doom, 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 doom. You gonna sing it?
Do.
And who's that?
Do.
Who's this? Right here.
Do.
Groot. So this one. Did you get who you wanted?
More.
More. Okay. Who do you think's in this one?
Day.
Baby. You got baby Groot.
More.
It's... Wow! We got exactly who we wanted! Dr. Doom, 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 doom. So let's show him off with the camera. Can I see him? Please? We got Dr. Doom. You want to sing his song?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and sing it. Dr.
Do.
This is Dr.
Do.
And this is
Go.
Groot.
Baby.
Baby Groot.
Oh.
So, I'm Rob. This is James. Say hi, buddy. Or say bye.
Bye.
And I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing video where we got exactly what we wanted. Awesome, huh?